Social Watch. Of Social Watch, the coalition in Ghana on the socio-economic affairs of this nation in terms of the law, what has been the impact?
You know, when you do policy work, this is an easy question to answer. First of all, there's the general term of attribution. If the Ghana government announces a policy tomorrow that it wants to tackle, inequality head, and Social Watch claim credit for that policy simply because they, like many others, have drawn attention to inequality. If the Ghana government decides to change mining policy, can TWN and the groups they work with in the National Coalition of Mining say we alone are responsible? What you can say for sure is that if you didn't have all those voices present on a particular issue, governments will be less susceptible to the pressure to do something. And what Social Watch contributes is in a number of areas. All the groups who participate are already working on these issues. It provides an additional focal point for unifying and sharpening the issues which are raised in each national report. It also serves as a bridge for similar work being done in different countries, and therefore provides a channel of learning and sharing with others. So, for example, when the meeting ends on the 29th, and I'm just using this also to provide information, in the afternoon at 4 p.m. at the press center, there will be an open air, we'll do it in the public event, where speakers from the assembly will kind of do a report back, okay, and also speak about what Social Watch is doing globally. So the Ghanaian audience can, one, learn about what took place in the meeting, what decisions were taken, and then two, have a sense about what this organization does globally. There are a number of things that I can point to. Say, if we go back to some of the first reports that we did on, say, education and health, at the height of the discussion about the commercialization of health and so on, and those who are losing out. Social Watch was one of the groups that intervened about the need for government to do something to make access to health more equitable. We intervened also about the debate about the quality of education and so on, which, for example, became issues that the Ghana Human Development Report and other things kind of picked up. So I'm saying that Social Watch is one of the pieces that add to this debate. And for the participating organizations, it provides a platform for unifying voices. Because different organizations have different weight and different entry points. So when we sit around the table on inequality, NetRight, Bantu, those who have an entry point of gender equality, they will bring an analysis about the gender perspectives on inequality, which groups who are looking at it maybe from a class analysis or even a geographical inequality standpoint may not necessarily have. And those unities allow a refining, of position. So what I'm saying is that Social Watch adds an additional weight to the pressure that civil society organizations are able to generate in terms of putting pressure for policy change. I am always very cautious to make claims that this particular policy is a result of work that we have done. Let me give you an example.